Yeah, buddy. So right now I'm just in a simple little buy support. I'm noticing all this consolidation built right here, and I just took a quick little trade here on the 15 minute. Um, that's where I got my confluence from, really, buddy. It is a risky trade because I'm doing it on the 15 minute, but I do have quite a bit of experience trading on the 15 minute. A lot of times there are, times where 15 minute does can go against me. It's better to wait for that 30-minute close. But basically, I'm just taking a buy because we got all the support built right up here. So all the support built right here has gave me that confluence. We just made that. Um, we just ended up making that support just not too long ago. So with that being said, that's exactly why I ended up taking this trade, because we have made a support actually right here. So making that support, understanding that the 4 hour is very bearish, the daily is very bearish, but with these lower time frames being near this consolidated area, I've taken the buy position. Now, by no means if I won this trade yet or anything like that. I'm waiting for it to hit that 20 pips to make sure I hit my 1-to-1. So basically waiting for that moment. Got about maybe 4 pips, until then. But I got to make sure I hit my 1-to-1 trade. Because if I start taking profit anytime now, it'd be ass backwards. Because then if I take a losing trade next time, then my losing trade will actually be more than this dub that I'm taking here. But I'm still got to wait, being patient right now. We've been so close to getting to that 20 pip range, but so far we haven't hit it. The reason why 20 pips is my take profit is because that was my original stop loss. Yeah, exactly, Sharif. So when I'm looking at this, Sharif, all this bearish candle, eventually we have to turn around at some point. That's in my exact point. And the beautiful spot which made me take this trade was because if all this consolidation, right, say we made a support right around here or something like that, it's just not the best area for me because it's like, maybe more down here because we have this consolidation here. If you look at the screen on the right too, because I'll be able to break it down a little bit better. But taking a look at that, buddy, what I mean is like if we were to like make a support right here, somewhere here, this would still be iffy for me because we don't have necessarily previous support up until this area, right? Candle's been pushing down so much so for so long that at this point we're at an area where there's a bunch of rejections. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rejections in this area, and not to mention at this price level we have a bunch of consolidation. So in my eyes, it looks like we're respecting this so far. This support is starting to respect what's going on right here at this support. And on higher time frames, we should actually have, this again, you see as, higher time frame support. I do gotta be careful now at this point because, obviously the problem with this is candle's been shooting up ever since we started. I gotta be careful with this too. Reason being is because if a candle doesn't give you any type of little liquidity grab at the beginning, you do have to be careful because after the first 5 minutes, it could start retracing on you, which kind of looks like what it's doing right now. So I got to be a little careful here. I got to make sure I'm managing my position. But yeah, so basically I'm taking that buy on that support just because of the fact that we have been trailing down for so long. At this point, there's a certain point we do have to start giving a little bit of a pullback. The most ideal trade setup would be to wait for this candle to kind of push up, whatever, and then give us that resistance. So I have trailed my stop loss a bit too. So it's kind of like my how I'm gonna go about it with trade management. And it's not necessarily resistance, there's a support level. That's the thing, it's a support. The idea here would be, candles push up, maybe we push up to here, XYZ, bullish candles push up here. But the second you get that bearish print, dude, that's the trade to take. That's the trade you want to take. That's a good retracement play, because then you can almost be guaranteed you're going to retest these lows. Right here, I did take a very risky trade. That is very true. A very risky trade, especially on the 15-minute. The reason why I'm confident holding this, if it ends up hitting my stop loss, it is what it is. I have managed some risk at this point, so would only lose maybe like a little bit under 1.5%, maybe 1.1, maybe 1%. So with that being said, it's actually super smooth. Really not, too paranoid, obviously, or tripping that if it does hit that stop loss, it hits that stop loss. But what the thing is, the 30 minutes can be big. If we can get a 30-minute close bullish, that's gonna be huge. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. But honestly, if I can get that close beforehand, that'd be even better. I'd like to get in and out. Today's Friday, I'm not trying to risk a whole lot. Would like to just get in and out this position. But of course, we do have 5 minutes up until this candle closes, so a lot can happen in 5 minutes. So we're just gonna see how this goes. But hey, Ali, if you are learning anything, buddy, I would appreciate, buddy, if you can go ahead and give a like on the video and, subscribe if you want to go ahead and see these videos daily. I'm usually here every day, Monday through Friday, hitting trades on gold. Only like to trade 1 to 2 trades a day, and each position I risk is 1.5%. Exactly, yeah. So you have a great idea, bro. Sharif, that's the classic idea you want to go with here, but being that we're in the New York NYSE session, we got a lot of volume in the markets right now. So I kind of don't want to catch that play. Just a quick scalp, just to take that buy position. But obviously right now, still hasn't been the best trade for me yet. We're still we're battling a little bit. And as you can see, this trade has been, it's starting to kind of retrace back down to entry. Not the best sign. Not what you want. So can't even say I've won this trade yet or anything like that. I'm still managing the position, and we're just gonna keep going from there. But yeah, bro, your last comment, what you said, bro, that's 100% spot on. You want to wait for that resistance. Sharif, I really appreciate it, buddy. Thank you so much, buddy. But yeah, I'm just 100% transparent, just trying to show it, show the losses, show the profits. Don't want to be a guy that's just showing only profits and just kind of hiding things. Trading is very difficult, and I'm not ashamed to show it. Hell yeah, bro. Very good, bro. But yeah, that's the main idea here, and especially we can probably even see that kind of around this area. Maybe why we even rejected. Honestly, we have a little 30-minute resistance. Whatever's previous resistance breaks through can usually turn into support. Vice versa. If it's support gets broken through, can turn into resistance. It's kind of what we're seeing a little bit right here. Price levels now rejecting around that 1983 level. So yeah. But yeah, man, I'm still learning as well, man. Every day, that's why I'm here. I just kind of journal it. That's the only thing I thought about this. That's the reason why I started my YouTube, because, man, I'm still learning at the end of the day, and it can help me look back at my videos when I take losses or anything like that to kind of help the trading journey. And I also thought as well, man, the better and better I do, And the more money I end up making, obviously the more subscribers, followers you end up gaining. But regardless, it's more of a fact of at least I have good testimonials where everybody's able to see what I've been able to do, how I've been able to make money, and yeah. So that's kind of the idea behind it. Is be transparent, show everything. Yeah, with 2 minutes left in this candle, I'm definitely not looking good so far. Um, it's kind of closing super weak on us right now. But with a minute left, I'm liking the fact that we're gonna have a pretty bullish 30-minute candle. That's gonna be the good thing. But with that being said, stop loss is just underneath that 30 minutes, so that's actually really good. I trailed my stop loss, so since I trailed that stop loss, I just want to make sure at least it was underneath that 30-minute candle because I don't want to be. Obviously, I don't want to have this candle or my stop loss, above the wick. It's gonna give me a lower chance to stay in the position. It's crazy too, man, because I was maybe like 4 pips away from take profit, but I started coming back down. The most important thing is though I didn't end up taking profit in that moment. Obviously, any type of profit is beneficial, but not in my case always because I do take 1 or 2 trades every day. If I take a trade that's like I'm just shy of my take profit, especially if I'm doing 1-to-1 setups. Obviously, I like to do 1-to-3s, 1-to-4s, 1-to-5 ratios. But I usually let that happen once I'm able to let a position keep running. If I can let a position keep running or I'm able to kind of hold that position longer for a better take profit, that's completely fine with me. Obviously, I want to gain more than just 1.5%. But I just want to keep it realistic. And I don't want to be, over risking my account, risking the whole account, a full margin, anything. Just trying to keep it smooth and be consistent with my trades. So we end up getting a nice push up, but I really want to see this. Obviously, I'm not too worried about this little pullback we're gonna have here. Maybe we're gonna have some type of liquidity wick here, and then hopefully the rest we just go bullish at that point. But I wouldn't be surprised if we end up doing that. Seeing that it's going bullish right off the bat, it's actually cool. But I do know that we most likely will have a little bit of a play retracement here. It's gonna probably come back down, yes, just like this. Uh, we could come down a little bit and then go right back up. So really curious to see how this is gonna play out. Yeah, that's nice, bro. Yeah, it's never a bad idea, bro, to be honest, bro. Probably looking to close half once we hit our 1-to-1 and probably let the rest of the position run. May just close full, but kind of would like to see this position run a little bit. I know we can hit 20 pips here. We got to be able to hit 20 pips. Come on, baby. Keeps hitting 18 pips and then keeps kind of falling back. That's what my boy saying over here. This new candle for me, upper wig for me means that it needs to come back to form the lower wig. Yeah, no, yeah, that's kind of how I'm feeling too. But if we can catch that 20 pips within this moment, I'd like to do that. Catch them 20 pips, and then it could do whatever it wants. But as of right now, yeah, I gotta be careful with it before then. You know, if it doesn't hit before then, I obviously got to keep that in mind. There we go. We're super close. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Well, we're just gonna stop loss break even at this point, guys. We're gonna let the position run. Yeah, we're just gonna let the position run at this point. Move take profit down a little bit. Just let the rest run. Now, if I'm being honest, guys, the probability of this trade hitting, I'm a little doubtful. I'm a little doubtful. So I went ahead and closed 50%, let the rest run. Kind of want to increase the profits here. Original overall take profit would be up here, but being more realistic, we are very bearish, right? Overall bearish trend. I'm really. The second we get a retracement, the second we get that retracement sub position, obviously that'd be the position to take. So I do got to be careful with just holding this. You know, I do want to make a good profit on this, but at the same time, it is Friday. I might just want to fucking close full, to be honest. But might just close full. But really looking at this, man, I don't know. Like I said, I'm more bearish technically, but I just want to take a quick scalp. And looking at this now, we are running fairly good in the position. So that definitely feels good, but one of them things where second this has a 15-minute bearish candle printed, dude, that's where it's gonna be nice for a good sell. Honestly. Appreciate that, buddy. But yeah, at this point, man, I'm kind of debating on closing full. Obviously not right now at this point. I'd like to kind of get that wick back up there, but definitely was going through my head. Oh, come on, baby. Well, folks, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. Honestly, I'm not really looking forward to making any more positions or anything like that, but I am looking forward to trying to close full when it hits at least up here again. Maybe not even see that happen again personally. So we may end up hitting stop loss at break even. If so, that is a little unfortunate, but at the same time, we was able to take some profit on something, and that's what matters the most. Uh, but yeah, if we're able to kind of keep continuing up here, I would like to close full. I'm trying to be able to close full while I'm on the stream, but personally, uh, it's kind of looking a little wishy-washy here, and I got some things I gotta take care of. But yeah, it's just looking a little stagnant right now. And at this point, we may hit stop loss break even. We may. We may. crazy how price is getting hung up right around here too. Makes sense. I mean, we do got these previous support levels that have been broken through now. Could be retested for that resistance. Could be the easy thing that's going on right now. Could be forming a resistance, rejecting this area. Next candle opens up, we do end up actually closing bearish. Really hoping this position kind of keep and feel, at least feel this wick here. I'd like to at least feel this wick. Just kind of come back up, but it's looking a little rough. Just don't want to sell myself short on the position when I know I can make extra profits here. If not, price comes back down, it is what it is. At least stop loss says break even, but if I can, I'd like to increase profits. Yes, sir. Yeah, looking back at this 15, definitely looking good. But this area is looking real tough. Looking real tough for price. I do like seeing the liquidity wick here on this candle. Makes me feel a little bit better on this push up, especially it being the opening of the candle. It pushing a little bearish right now makes me feel a little bit better, because once we start pushing it up and going bullish, it should actually go a little bit more. Yeah, exactly, bro. So I'm really looking to close full here relatively soon, but want to make sure I make some good profits here. But unfortunately, it has been a little rough. Yeah, exactly. Seeing everything that I'm seeing to the left here, it's just like it's not surprising. You know, seeing that the candle is now starting to reject a bit, or at least be a little bearish at this moment, it's not too surprising. I couldn't be surprised. You'd be stupid to be surprised about this. Like, what? How? You'd just be like, you know, quite obvious what's going on. Well, I saw that spike, boy. It made me think, are we getting some good volume to the bullish upside? Can we keep pushing to the top side? I would mark 1982.13. Hopefully we can keep going past that. There we go. Come on, little bullish candle. Yeah. Yep. I like what you're saying, bro. Definitely agree and like to what you're saying, man. If you are interested, Sharif, bro, I do have a Discord community that we all post our charts. So if you'd like to get in that Discord community, bro, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram, bro. Or send me a DM, and I can get you locked in. You can be in that Discord, bro, where you post your charts, all your trades, everything like that. It's kind of just like a trading journal at the end of the day. That's really all it is. Ooh. This candle has been very wishy-washy. Now I'm preparing to close full, but I'd be super like, damn, if I close full and it keeps pushing up hella like hardcore. I'd be like, gosh, damn. Yeah, this candle is so wishy-washy right now. What the fuck? It's like pushing up kind of aggressive and then comes right back down aggressive. It's got me a little nervous. Definitely looking to just close full here soon. Come on, mate. Give me a good push, man. Just give me a little push up. Do we got news coming in or what's going on? Hell nah. It's moving real. It's got like a lot of volume in these markets or something. At that point, fuck, we done, boy. We done. I'm done with this candle. Oh, it could be pushing up crazy at this point. What the fuck? It's just so wild. Hey, trading is crazy, bro. Trading is fucking crazy. But I'm happy where I took profit, to be honest. I'm cool with that. I'm definitely cool with that. We'll call it a day. This Friday was wild. Looking forward to Monday. See what we got for next week, man. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. That shit was bouncing everywhere. Everywhere you didn't want it to go, too. It was come up, boom, come back down. Come up, boom, come back down. I was like, what the fuck? What is going on? Excuse my language, too. But, anyways, so the 20th, wow, we're going to have a Thanksgiving during this time, which is going to be quite interesting. It's going to be quite interesting. Yeah, all this area, though, is making me nervous now at this point because at the end of the day, be back on the actual trading, the price action here. Looking at the price action, what I'm looking at, bro, we have like a bunch of rejections around this area. Got a previous support that was formed that was broken through. This support was broken through. As we come up, any support broken through generally can be retested now as a resistance. We are starting to form that resistance here. If this candle, 15-minute candle, closes bearish, I don't know. I mean, may want to take that sell, to be honest. to be honest. Like, that would be the best idea, but that's here nor there. I did take one trade. I'm not really trying to look to make any other silly mistakes here or do anything dumb. I think I'm just going to let it be. But I would say if I didn't take this buy position, I would be looking at this, especially with the London close. The London close session's coming up, where the London session is going to be fully closed. There's a lot of volume. Prices or orders are going to be priced in. There's going to be that closing session volume. So we got that here in about pretty much an hour is when it closes. But between this time, like, for me and this, like, the next 30 minutes can be a very volatile time, guys. Very volatile time. So with that being said, if I didn't take this buy position, I would have most likely waited to take this sell retracement. Honestly, this is the position you'd rather take in this moment. Candles are super bearish. 4 hours super bearish. Hourly's having a huge support, but at the end of the day, trend's pretty, as of right now, is bearish, right? But we have created the support. That 1 hour makes it a little bit, but lower time frames tell the stories for the higher time frames. The reason why I say that, because this lower time frame could actually give us that whole pushback down with this hourly. The hourly still at this point is open. There's 5 minutes left in this candle, so most likely we hold this support, but who knows? It's a little tough. Being Friday, I'm glad I'm out the position. I'm glad I took the position I ended up taking, but this retracement play could definitely work out. You do got to be careful though, because there is that hourly support that did form, so you're gonna have to be very, very, very careful. Yeah, like weekly and everything like that, obviously, like, still we're bullish. Price on gold generally is bullish at a huge, like, overall time frame speaking, just because everything going around the world, a lot of people are trying to put their money in a safe haven, and that safe haven happens to be like gold, silver, and other commodities of those sorts. So with that being said, there's a lot going on in the world. A lot can be said with why price, generally wants to be bullish. But that's here nor there, guys. Just want to be able to get on the stream real quick, hit a quick trade, hop on off, and be ready for the next week. Sharif Ali, I appreciate you, buddy. It was good seeing you, my friend, and I hope to keep seeing you here on the stream, because I got a few other guys that definitely take some trades themselves and have good ideas. Most of them, I have to say, are from India, and I got a lot of respect for them. And they're good traders as well. They have good mindsets, and I like how they think. Got another guy from Nigeria, and yeah, super cool, man. I'm glad to meet new people, and especially within the trading community, man. Just trying to keep increasing my skills every day, and as long as you guys take trades and everything like that, y'all are gonna keep increasing your guys' skills too. Appreciate it so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a great day. Had a pretty good week, and I'll see you guys Monday. Peace out, everybody. If anybody learned anything new, like, share, subscribe, help me finesse the algorithm, and I appreciate it a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Deuces.